Raki, are you gonna make slime with us today? No, the intro is too hard, too much work. No, okay. Hi, I'm Lydia and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you couldn't tell, this is my first YouTube video, so I hope it's not horrible, but I know it will be. Anyway, today I am going to make slime, because I've seen this everywhere and I've seen so many of my friends make it and I want to try, because the past few times I've made it, it just completely failed. So I'm gonna try doing that today, and unfortunately my cat's not gonna help me because he's too busy taking a nap like cats do. So yeah, let's go do that. Glue, glue, spoon, bowl, slime. We're gonna make some glow-in-the-dark, sparkly blue slime. Let's try. First I'm gonna add glue and some water in a bowl. It'll turn cooler in a minute. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of activator at a time. Okay, now we have a blob of glow-in-the-dark slime, and I'm now going to add blue glue to it. Glue. I didn't really get it to turn blue, but now we're gonna go test if it's actually glow in the dark. So, since I'm recording on a phone, it wouldn't show the glow in the darkness of the slime, but I'd say it's a pretty good slime for me, because I can't make slime, and I'm really bad at making slime. Hey, do you want to come? Hi. Yeah. There's probably no one watching this video anyway. There's probably no one watching. Yeah, you like the camera? You like my slime? Okay, goodbye. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you did, because I don't think many people are gonna watch this video. It's my first video. Anyway, thank you anyway if you did watch it. And I hope it wasn't too cringy or bad or terrible, but it will be anyway, and I'm probably not gonna survive editing it because I hate listening to myself. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go subscribe. Are you a crazy cat? Did you turn into a crazy cat? Do you want to help me record a YouTube video now? No? Just gonna go beg for food? Okay, bye.